Next up, we're going to look at how to add some additional routes to our application. So we're going to be building a to-do list. We're going to create this to-do folder under routes, and inside the to-do folder, we're going to add another page.svelte file. All right, so now that we have that, we also want to create a folder for the Tic-Tac-Toe app that we made previously. So once again, we're going to right-click on our routes folder. We're going to call this Tic-Tac-Toe. Remember, right-click on routes and then create this folder. I'm going to copy the top level page.svelte. This was the one that we had our Tic-Tac-Toe app in. I'm just going to copy it and put it into the Tic-Tac-Toe folder. Now I'm going to also move the player.svelte file into the Tic-Tac-Toe folder so that it is sitting right next to our page.svelte for Tic-Tac-Toe. This was the component that we created for the Tic-Tac-Toe app, so we're going to put it right next to it. So inside our top page.svelte, we're just going to erase everything that we had previously. This gets us ready for what we want to add later. All right, so we're going to add a link tag. This is an A tag with an href. This href will have a slash, a forward slash. I'm going to copy it twice. And then in the first link, we're going to call it home. And the second one, we're going to call it to do. And the third one will be our Tic-Tac-Toe. Now, in the href, it will have to be what you named the folder. So this one will have Tic-Tac-Toe with no spaces. If you look at the left, you will see that it is named exactly like the folder name. So we're going to do the same thing for the to-do route. So we save this. All right, we navigate to our page, and now you should see the 3 links at the top of the page. And if we navigate to Tic-Tac-Toe, you should see that it goes to the Tic-Tac-Toe route. Now you will notice that the links are gone, so we have to use the browser to go back. Same thing if we go to to-do, the links are gone. So let's take a look at how to fix that. We're going to right-click on the routes folder again and say new file. This time we're going to type plus layout.svelte. I'm going to go back to the page .svelte and cut. That's Command or Control X, and go back to the layout.svelte file, and we're going to paste it. Once again, that's cutting from the page.svelte. Okay, and back in the layout.svelte, we're going to paste that. And then you're going to save the files. So now your page.svelte should be empty, and your layout.svelte should have what we had before. It's the 3 links. And under these 3 links, we're going to add a slot. SOLT, and then we're going to close off the tag. And now you're going to save the file. So if you go back to your browser now, it should show that our links are at the top of all of the pages. So if we go to To-Do, it should show the links. Go to Home, it should show the links. And on the Tic-Tac-Toe page as well.